In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to back up chats on WhatsApp. Backing up chats on WhatsApp is crucial to prevent data loss in case of phone damage, accidental deletion, or switching devices. It ensures that important conversations, media, and documents are preserved and can be easily restored if needed. To do this, simply head to your WhatsApp. On your settings page, select onto this option of chats. On the chats page, head to Chat Backup. Now before you start the backup process, make sure to enable the end-to-end encryption. Tap right here and select on Turn On. Make sure to create password for the whole encryption process. I already saved my encryption password. I'll just have to tap to confirm with Face ID and continue with the process. Now once the end-to-end encryption is enabled, the chat backup process will start right away. Regular backups also provide peace of mind, knowing that even if something happens to your phone, your data is securely stored and can be retrieved without disruption. That's how easy it is to back up WhatsApp chats on iPhone. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.